So you got your first 60% keyboard. Less keys, slim look, but once you start using it, you notice that some keys are missing. In this case, I've been informed that most people don't know where function keys are. Well, you're in luck. To access your function keys on your 60% keyboard, there should be a special key labeled as FN. FN stands for function. Your keyboard should also have labels next to your number keys, where it would state F1, F2, yada yada. In this case, hold the FN key and press the number keys such as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Key number 1 being function 1, key number 4 being function 4. You get the gist. Hope this helps, and hasta la vista.